So here my Grand Prix right here. GT L67 swap. A motor. Some clean shit. Got them headers down there, boy. You know what I mean? She's looking straight fucking hood whip. I'll show you my exhaust, how I got my exhaust routed. You see that there? GT, not GTP, baby. But she breathing like a motherfucking race car, boy. You know what I mean? Look, listen to this here sucker. I ain't talking about that shit, man. Come on now, come on now. You wish that sound like this. Oh, fuck. Here we go, look. I'm gonna get you underneath there, show you what's going down with the exhaust system. Right straight down, see that shit? Look. You don't need no two mufflers. One muffler, 3-inch exhaust all the way straight from the front to the back with a custom dual tip muffler. Wrap that shit up. See that deal up? Bamo. No muffler over here. Slammo. Holla back, howdy doody. Look at that there shit. Oh yeah. Oh look, what's that damn wire for? Oh, underglow. Green, baby. You know what I'm talking about? Your pricks. You know how we do. We're doing it right around here now. I ain't finished yet. See that? She down there working. I ain't finished yet. I ain't done. Oh no, I'm not done yet. Got stuff back there, lot. Everything, some stuff back there. You know what I mean? Oh, what that? An amplifier? Oh, let's see what's in the trunk. So, what I got to show you guys here. Only one little beast. Little badass motherfucker. Hitting it off with another badass motherfucker. Holy power acoustic.